of performing in Red Shore City since I was a little kid. And besides, I just convinced my husband to babysit for the next 24 hours, and I am not gonna waste an opportunity like that. So come on! We've got nothing to lose.
Here, Ash, you come in on page 2.
Wait, we're just gonna rehearse this here at the back of the bus?
Yes, we are.
Of course we are.
Yep, we gotta get this show in the best shape ever. Ah, Miss Crawley, you made it. Good. You are an angel, and we're sure gonna need that. Whoa! What the?
Well, you did say dress to impress.
Time, all the long red lines that take control of all the smoke like streams that flow into your dreams. That big blue open sea that can't be crossed, that can't be climbed, just born between.
Let's just cut it. Just put the guitar part into the scene.
Got it.
Guys, we're here.
All right. Let's go spread a little Moon Theater magic.